Hello traders, how you doing? This is me, Lamarr. I really got something really powerful for you. You know that I preach, teach, eat ABC. I think that is the ultimate trading setup, and I'm going to show you exactly how I made $440 just using the ABC pattern. And I have some advanced indicators too that kind of help me guide me in my profits. Okay, so you'll see two charts here. This chart on my right kind of look more like your chart, okay, that I gave you for the system that I gave you. Okay, this chart on the left is kind of like my advanced charting system that I have, and I use this really to capture more profit out of the market, right? So anyway, that being said, it's a different time frame between these two. This is a 6 ranker on my left, this is a 3 ranker, which what you have. Okay, same principles apply. You'll see that I'll be able to extract the money just using the same principles I taught you, right? So anyway, as you can see here, it changed over to a new trend at this point, saying that we're primarily going short. You can see on my 6 ranker that is now trading below that purple line, right? I call it the equator. And then at my bottom indicator, it turned green here. Remember, I said let that set you up for your trade, right? Remember, this is saying this is my A, this is my B, right? My correction point should never go up here, right? Past that point, which it never did, and it came back down, and I saw this setup right here. It corrected a little bit right there, and I found my entry to go short right there. And what I had was a 12 tick stop loss, so I was willing to lose $112, and I knew this was at the bottom of my C leg, possibly, because there's my A, right? C is equal or greater than A, or C is equal or less than A, right? The bottom of A. That's the statistical equation that we have, right? So I was looking for a one-to-one trade on this particular trade. However, I said my indicators are giving me a strong short move, which says that the market was trying to meet up to this little dotted green line. I don't know if you can see it there, okay, but that's what the indicator was telling me as far as where the market was trying to reach to, okay, in the short move on the C leg. So I had a 12 tick stop, and as you can see, as I got into this order, it came up there and gave me a little bit of heat. You can see it right here. I was like around about 3 or 4 ticks away from getting stopped out, right? But it came up there twice, but the second time it came up there, it didn't get, it was a little bit shorter than the first time it threatened to take me out with a loss. And then all of a sudden it took a dive down, and then it got right here equal to my point and passed it. And then it corrected up. So I was looking for it, saying, okay, that's okay, I can get out the trade at that point. But everything else is saying that we have a strong short. So once I seen it correct back down to go short again off this leg right there, what I did was I put my stop loss right here, so I secured about $120 of profit. So no matter what, I was going to get paid $120. So when the trade continued on, it actually hit my point down here. This where you can see this dotted green line right there. It came right there, and then it bounced back up, and it never hit my stop loss, and it came back down. So naturally, I moved my stop loss from this point right here to the top of this point, right? So I secured just a little bit more, probably like $180 at that point, or $200 per se. So what happened was the market kept on going down here, and it got this little wave pattern, right? And I said, okay, now it's time for me to get out. And so the third time it came down, I just got out once it hit that green line, and I secured about $440 of profit. Okay, and remember, this was saying this was my A, this is my B, and this was my C, and I just stood into the trade until I felt like C was dying, and the market actually proved that at that point. So I exited the market, and that's exactly how I made $440 out of the market this afternoon. All right, so I just want to share this video with you guys, kind of show you the power of ABC. So once you continue perfecting your proficiency with the tools that I gave you, trust me, there's a whole nother book I'm going to open up for you guys in the future here. All right, happy trading. I see you at the bank. Bye bye.